Chapter 7. Creating with Windows Movie Maker. Magic Carpet. Different features of Windows Movie Maker. Windows Movie Maker components. Inserting images, videos and audio files. Transitions and visual effects. Inserting title, caption and credits. Learning to edit media clips. How to save a movie. How to export a movie. A Windows-based video editing software is known as Windows Movie Maker. This software used to be a part of Windows XP, but in Windows 7 it can be downloaded without any charges as a part of Windows Live Essential that has Mail, Messenger, Photo Gallery, Movie Maker, Writer, Family Safety and other services based on web like OneDrive or Outlook.com. The user with Windows Movie Maker can create movies from photos and videos even though they are still on the camera. The software allows the user to create movies using special effects, transitions, themes to make the movie that the user creates stand out. Movies can be made for various occasions like birthdays, family gatherings, etc. Windows Movie Maker features. Auto-save the project. After a fixed period of time, projects in Windows Movie Maker are auto-saved. This is so to make sure that the data is not lost at the time of a power cut or an unexpected application closure. Download music from online libraries. Audio files from the popular online sources like Audio Micro, Video Music Store can be downloaded directly in Windows Movie Maker. Audio from a video. The audio tracks from the video files can be extracted in Windows Movie Maker. Outline on text. The user can add outlines on text elements to make them look more appealing and visible. The color of the outline can also be modified as per requirement along with the size. Proxy video. A low resolution is used by Windows Movie Maker to preview. This is to make sure that the software can run smoothly on the computer. How to start Windows Movie Maker. Windows Movie Maker can be started by following the steps given below. Make a click on Start. Go to All Programs. Go to Movie Maker. Windows Movie Maker components. Let us discuss about the components of Windows Movie Maker. Title bar. This bar can be found at the top of the Windows Movie Maker window. The name of the project and application's title can be viewed using this bar. This bar also contains buttons to minimize, maximize and close the program. Menu bar. The menu bar contains a collection of menus like Home, Animations, Visual Effects, Project and View. These can be used to access, edit and save movies. Movie Maker button. This is present at the extreme left of the menu bar and has features to allow the user to create a new project, open and save a project, import images, etc. Storyboard. This is used to arrange and manage video clips in the project. This also shows the transition and visual effects when they are applied to the clips. Preview monitor pane. You will find a preview screen on the left side of the work area. This area allows the user to watch the videos while working on them. The advantage offered is that the user can make any modifications before giving the final shape to the movie. Title bar, menu and toolbar, contents, monitor, movie task or collections, storyboard or timeline. Inserting images and videos in Movie Maker. A movie in Movie Maker in order to be created requires videos, audio or image files to be imported first. The following steps will help you in creating a movie. Step 1. Make a click on Add Videos and Photos button by going to the Add group and then in the Home tab. This will display an Add Videos and Photos dialog box. Step 2. Go to the Library folder and choose Pictures category. Then choose the sample pictures that are required. Make a click on the Open button. This will display the selected pictures in the storyboard. In this way, the video clips can also be imported to the storyboard. Step 3. The imported images and videos are arranged as a film strip. The look of the storyboard can be customized by using the Zoom In or Zoom Out button present on the Zoom slider bar. Step 4. Go to the Preview Monitor pane and click on the Play button. This will allow you to preview the movie. Audio file. The project can be made more appealing by adding audio files in it. The audio can be recorded using microphone and be used as a narration in a video. When the movie is played, the audio file also gets played along with other media in the background. Windows Media Player supports a variety of audio and video formats such as .mp3, .wma and .asf. Follow the steps given below. Step 1. Make a click on the Add Music button by going to the Home tab in the Add group. This will display an Add Music dialog box. Step 2. Go to the Music Library and import any file from the sample music. Click on the Open button. At the bottom of Clips and Images, a green bar in the storyboard can be found. This indicates that the audio file is imported. How to apply transition? To apply visual effects to the movie, transitions are used. These add connectivity to the consecutive scenes of a movie. These can be added between two images, video clips or titles. These effects range from simple fade to a complicated graphical animation. They can be applied by following the step. Step 1. Make a click on the Animations tab. In the Transitions group, you will be able to see a list of transitions. Step 2. At the bottom right of the list, make a click on the More drop-down arrow. This makes the list expand to various categories like dissolves, diagonals, patterns and shapes, etc. Step 3. Make a click on a video clip or image and then choose any transition. This will be applied to the beginning of the clip. You can also apply transitions to all clips and images in the project by making a click on Apply to All button by going to the Transitions group after selecting the transition. You will see the transition when you play the video. How to apply visual effects? Special effects to a movie can be added using visual effects. These enhance the appeal of the movies. These have choices to make color effects like sepia toning to posterizing. Visual effects can be added by following the steps given below. Step 1. Make a click on the Visual Effects tab. This will display a list in the Effects group. Step 2. Make a click on the More drop-down arrow. This will expand the list to various categories like artistic, motions, etc. Step 3. Make a click on the desired video clip or image and then select any effect. The effect will be applied to the clip. Make a click on Apply to All button to apply the effect to all the clips and images. Multiple visual effects can be added on a single media file. This will make an icon appear on top right of the clip to indicate the presence of the effect. The effect can be removed by selecting the None option from the list of effects. Inserting title, captions and credits. Text-based information can be added to the movie in the form of title, caption and credit. At the beginning of the clip, we add the title, whereas the credits are added at the end of the entire project. Inserting title. Follow the steps given below. Step 1. Choose the clip where the title is to be added. Step 2. Make a click on the title button, which can be accessed from the Home tab in the Add group. Step 3. In the Preview Monitor pane, a text box will get displayed. Type in it. The title can be customized using the text tools. The text tools available are similar to the ones present in other Microsoft programs like Word. The main difference is that here you have the option of setting the starting time and text duration. The appearance of the text is controlled by the start time, whereas the duration specifies how long the text remains on the screen. Step 4. The title can be edited by choosing different font styles, color schemes and the duration of the text under the Format tab. Step 5. The animation effects can be applied on the text by making use of any effect in the Effects group. Clicking on the More drop-down arrow allows you to view even more effects. Inserting caption. Just like you add a title, in similar manner, captions can also be added. The user can also format the caption as the title. Inserting credits. These can also be added just like the title is added. How to edit media clips. Once the user has imported video, music or image to the project, they can also be arranged as per choice in the storyboard pane. The media clip can be edited using the following steps. Step 1. Go to the storyboard pane and add pictures, video clips together. Now, click and drag pictures and videos and place them anywhere on the storyboard. Step 2. Using the Trim tool from the Editing group on the Edit tab, the duration of the video clip can be reduced. Step 3. This will display a new Trim tab on the menu bar with the tools. In the Start Point category, enter the trim duration and then click on the Save Trim button by going to the Trim group to accept the change. The video can also be shortened by changing the value of the end point in the Trim tool. Step 4. Clicking on the Play button, the video can be played on the Preview Monitor pane. The video will also be trimmed to the duration you chose. How to save a movie. Follow the given steps to save a movie. Step 1. Make a click on the Movie Maker button once you have imported all the files into the project. Then select the Save Project option. Step 2. This will display a Save Project dialog box. Go to the File Name box and specify the desired name. Then make a click on the Save button. Fact Genie. The output settings can be chosen while saving the movie by clicking on the arrow present on the Save Movie button. This allows the user to optimize the movie for devices like Android, Windows Phone, High Definition Display, email, etc. How to export a movie. Windows Movie Maker also allows to export the movie. This can be done by following the steps given below. Step 1. Make a click on the Home tab and then select the Save Movie button from the Share group. This will display a Save Movie dialog box. In the File Name box, specify the name of the movie. Then click on the Save Movie button. A Movie Maker processing bar appears on the screen which displays the progress of the export process. Step 2. Once the process is completed, a dialog box is displayed. Clicking on the Play button, place the movie in the default media player of the Windows. Magic Scroll. Windows Movie Maker is created by Microsoft and used to create movies and edit them. The different components in Movie Maker are menu bar, storyboard, etc. The Movie Maker video clips can be managed using the storyboard. Visual effects can be added using transitions. Adding text-based information can be in the form of titles, captions and credits. Using the Trim tool, the duration of a movie can be reduced. Different varieties of audio or video formats are supported by Movie Maker. A.